My name is S. Vardhrajan and I look after business development at Dynamic Group of Industries. My designation is Head Business Development. Dynamic Group of Industries was established in 2011. Dynamic Group of Industries has 5 plants. Plant 1 to plant 4 are in Chakan and they are in the sheet metal fabrication sector, having facilities such as laser cutting, bending, fabrication, shot blasting, painting, assembly. The 5th plant is located at Kolhapur and it is a casting unit and it provides casting components for the remaining plants. Plant 4 of the Dynamic Group of Industries has a similar setup having laser cutting of 12 kilowatts and it can cut up to 40 millimeter in mild steel, and it has a bed size of 3 meter by 12 meter. It also has a plasma cutting machine which can cut up to 40 millimeter. It also has a fabrication setup and also has shot blasting and painting facilities attached to it. We have machining facilities such as CNC horizontal boring mill which has an x-axis travel of 4 meters and y-axis travel of 2500 and a z-axis travel of 2500 mm. It also has a double column VMC, the distance between column of 5 meters and a bed size of 12 meters and a y-axis travel of 2.8 meters. Apart from these machining facilities, there is also a battery of CNC turning lathes for doing small components on CNC lathes to high precision. Plant 4 strives to achieve high quality, prompt delivery, less costs, and with the foremost importance of safety, and delivers high value and high quality products to its customers as part of the mission and vision of Dynamic Group of Industries. As far as Plant 4 is concerned, it has various customers in industries such as car parking, agriculture, earth moving, construction equipment, and also exports. The mission of the company is to be best in class, to have a highly motivated workforce, to maintain highest business standards and have a philosophy of continuous improvement, Kaizen, and the vision is to become the first choice supplier to all our customers.